What's up guys? Nandito tayo sa Get Nice Store and guess what? Dahil New Year ngayon, mamimigay tayo ng sapatos guys. Madali lang. Basahin nyo lang yung caption for the details. So kailangan nyo lang gawin guys is hulaan nyo kung ano yung pair ng pinakamahal na mabibenta or mabibenta sa atin today. Comment nyo lang yung sagot nyo on this post and you could get a chance to win a free pair. Here you go, ma'am. So, hindi ko lang nakita yung Onitsuka na yan. Ang galing, ha? Anong name niya, ma'am? Velocity. Delecity. Yeah. Oh, this was sold for... Salamat po. Merry Christmas. Thank you. So...
Pansin ko dito mo, naka-ticket.
Mag-ano ka talaga, half size bigger at least. Okay, so nakabenta tayo ng isa sa mga X4 Year of the Snake natin. Ito itong bagong pair natin, guys. Gando. Nabenta natin for... So yun, sir, thank you. What's your name again, sir? Ino. Nice to meet you, sir Ino. Thank you. Merry Christmas, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, so nabenta natin yung Nike na general purpose shoe. Collab with Tom Sachs. Suot na ni sir eh. So ayun. Sir, ano ulit name nyo?
Angelo.
Sir Angelo, thank you again. We sold it for... Thank you. Pairs kila ma'am and sir. Dalawang Onitsuka model. One is the Coco 10 cream black. And the other one is the Mexico Perch colorway. So we sold this for sir, and then we sold the Coco 10 for... So thank you ma'am, sir. What's your name again, sir? Sander. Sander. Nice to meet you, and ma'am.
Sai.
Ma'am Sai. Thank you. Nice to meet you po. Thank you. Ito naman tayo dalawang pair kay Sir Ralph, right? Sir Ralph. Okay, si Sir Ralph, kinuha niya yung isang last pair natin ng On Cloud Tilt Black Eclipse colorway. We sold this for... And then, the other pair na kinuha ni Sir is our last pair also of Adidas Special Indigo colorway. We sold this for... Sir, thank you again. Salamat po. Happy holidays, ma'am, Sir Ralph. Thank you po. Thanks, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Drip check, sige. For the cap, we have the Jordan cap. I think this is 1.5 or 1.8. For the jacket, we have the Timberlands jacket. This is 10,000 pesos. Inner natin, it's a polo shirt from Brooks Brothers. This is, I think, 6,000 pesos. Tapos, for the pants, we have the Guess Rip jeans. This is, sale ko to nabili, 2.5 yata. Tapos, for the shoes, we have the Jordan 3 Balvins Medellin Sunset. So, favorite ko to, medyo worn na kasi lagi kong suot. This is, siguro price ito ngayon is around 30,000. Good.